here in Saville Park. It's an magnetic frame. And go inside to look for my fish. So, mas pinakain sila. Ang sabi sa entrance lang na kasi it must be here. That is the Dubai frame. Ang frame na yan is representing the other side is the old Dubai, and the frame facing me is the futuristic Dubai. So yan ang ibig sabihin ng the future and the old Dubai. Let's represent this artistic masterpiece, Dubai frame. So I am here, then I need to look for my church mates inside. I need to buy a ticket daw muna. So bibili muna ako ng ticket ko. My ticket first before going to inside English. One only. Next, pay card. So yung card mo lang. Wait lang na siya. Got it. My ticket. So, pupunta na ako inside. So, this is the Saville Park. Nasaan kaya sila? Saan sila banda? I need to look for them. Where are they? Nasa first lap daw sila. So I'm going to look for them. Malaki din pala itong Saville Park. First time ko pumunta dito. So, ganyan lang muna mga ka-trippin. And I see you later. Bye-bye muna. Maghahanap muna ako ng tao.